Eiffel Tower. We finally found it.
Yeah, finally.
And we found some.
It takes a long time and a very, very angry lady.
Yes. Very angry. Choo 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 choo. Okay. Well.
Victory!
Okay. Yeah. And Isabella is gone.
She doesn't want to be taken care of, so now we're not taking care of her. So
She is gone. Oh my god, that's a very pretty tree.
woohoo! I har lige former på den der. That's beautiful.
Oh my god. It's raining from the Eiffel Tower. Oh my god. Isabella is buying something.
We are very tired already. We have a lot.
It is really, really, really hard. We are taking the stairs because the line for the elevator was freaking enormous. And holy god.
We're too fat to this.
Yeah,
too fat.
So long. Long way again. We're taking another break. And it's been like 2 seconds.
And we're
God damn it.
Very tired.
Very, very hard. We are at the first etage now. Oh my god. Etage. Floor.
Victory!
The first etage. The first floor. And we are filming our jump to Paris right there. Right there. Woohoo! And that's a very big building. And a very goldy tower.
Victory!
We finally made it. Oh my god, and I'm really, really, really scared. And there's Sacré-Cœur.
And we live around there, someplace
Yeah, Sacré-Cœur.
far away.
Oh my god.
VIP! 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 Our legs shaking really, really much. You can see it on her cigarette. That's her legs. And those two legs. Okay, if I put my foot on toe, it's doing like this, and I'm seriously not doing this by myself. My legs do it too. What do you say, Martin? Yeah. But we're down now. Now on the ground again. We have been up there someplace.
Now it's normal.
That's so creepy. Bella's legs shaking too. And her dress. You can see it on her dress. Body and soul.
Okay, we're just talking about it's the fourth time we're here and we haven't seen their Eiffel Tower
I can die happy!
slides.
I can die happy!
We can die happy now because the light is on! Woohoo! Turn the lights on! It's really, really, really pretty! Woo! It's the first time in our lives, even though it's been... Yeah, this is the fourth time we're here and this is the first time, so that is Selka!
Selfie!
Eiffel Tower, goodbye! So pretty! Oh my gosh, this train is very shaky. Look at her hair. We are at Angry Anders, the lady at the ticket. She was really angry. And then there's Alexandra Dumbass. She's a dumbass apparently. We got free food! Yay! And the free bread! Yay!
We just found the most awesome dinner place, but actually the time is like 11.
Yes, it's actually 11. Exactly.
1 minute.
So the kitchen is closing, so yeah, we were lucky to get food now. And Marie have got their food. Ah, see it. So good. Oops. Is it good? En lang fan-account. Is it good? Oh, we got our Coke, and look at Isabella's bottle. That is really, really cute. It's really cute. We finally got our food.
11:30.
Yes, and they got their food like
Actually, we haven't eaten.
20 years ago. So we got
20 years ago?
yes. It felt like 20 years.
Yeah, okay, I'm 18, so...
And she got fish and chips. So delicious. We are having breakfast.
Thanks.
Good appetite.
That's nice.
Breakfast. This is we got French breakfast yesterday, and today it's English breakfast in Paris.
Better service.
Better service, yeah. Got 7. VIP! Oh my god. I can see it. We're back. De har recording take 4. Oh my god, I need it. I need it. A Block B. To the target turkey in my mouth. Oh my god! Okay. Hvor Bella? Nå, hun er der.
Nå, det var derfor, de havde alle de der kanonfarver.
Ja, det er rigtigt.
Vi find the...
Jeg så, at de havde recording take 4. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hvorfor ligger der sådan?
B.A.P. merchandise.
Hvorfor ligger der sådan? Ja, Jorden, jeg kigger på lidt andre butikker. Jeg kan jo finde noget. Ja, det kan du i hvert fald. Ja, du skal ikke kigge på lidt herinde.
Oh my god. De har B.A.P. 10,000 miles in American recording take 4. Oh.
I'm so gonna buy that one and that one. And maybe something else. B.A.P. wall.
Ja, det her så er de også nogle specielle pakker. Special packs.
Oh my god.
Nej, de har deres koncert-DVD. Fuck, man. Ej, hvor er den flot. Get down. Get down. Get down.
really, really, really pretty poster. Isabella lost her poster that she bought on the concert. So we're gonna find a new one for her. Luckily it's the same price, so it's only 5. Oh my god! I like this! Oh my god, look at my Himchin. Wow. iPhone covers. Bella is buying VAT things. She got a free poster. Let me go. Shoes! Oh, and Isabella bought this cello bracelet. Christina's trying ballerinas.
Filmer
Yeah. And I'm just in love with that one. And that one.
Gider med min føde, ja.
Ja, mega.
Ej, prøv lige at se de der små.
She's buying her shoes.
Og så den her samtidig, det glemte
Really many iPhone covers. Oh, they're so sweet.
Couple covers.
Another K-pop store. Musica. Oh, did you buy a cover? Let me see.
I saw flowers. I saw flowers. A panda and hedgehog. Guy hunter. Have more, it might be maybe. MIB.
Oh my god. Beautiful song.
One left.
Oh my god.
Beautiful song. Det er den Remy har skrevet.
Oh my god. Oh, donge. Wow. And okay. Nikki's buying. We got the power. Another K-pop store. We are really in paradise. We got the power. Oh my god! Hello. Oh my god, de har strikket og sådan noget. Oh my god.
Do you have the pink one?
It's the last piece. We sold out everything yesterday. Everybody said we are looking at it again in about 2 weeks time.
Oh my god,
Oh, she bought them. She bought them. Oh, they're really nice. Cool. So sample.
And I
she bought them.
bought MIB and Maggie Bush, George Bush.
I bought BAP first album and a necklace and a free poster. Yay! Very cute. And small cakes. Yeah, the down as well.
Quality kasser. Boxes. It's really, really pretty. Ooh, she's going to open her first Sensibility now. Which photo card did she get?
Me too. And look at my necklace.
Daishan! I got him too! And what did Isabella got? Who did Isabella got?
Hvad sagde jeg?
Where's my cello?
Oh. Okay, so we all three got Daishan. It must be you're my destiny. Today. You. This is a really cozy place. Look at my CDs. Bang the Bush. And MID Illusion. Christina got her food, salad. Oh my god, that looks very delicious.
So yeah, my necklace is really small. When I put it on, it was like here or something. So I'm gonna find a new
chain.
Find a new.
We get our food. So good.
Se.
So good.
Vi er begge to fra krigen. Det er mystisk. Hvorfor matcher jeg sådan noget? Ja, hvad så? Skal jeg tage?
Så cute.
Ja. Sidder I bare og kloger?
Pockies! Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. She's already finished. We are waiting for the boarding. Clouds! That is really, really pretty. Do you wanna build a snowman? It's really loud. So pretty. Where is Maya? She's gone. No, let's leave. I think we are here very soon. We are here very soon. This is our last meal on our vacation. And it was hot. We are in Copenhagen, so we are actually already in Denmark. And it's really, really, really sad. So, this is our last meal. Goodbye.
And it was very, very expensive.
It was a very expensive food. Oh my god, it's 3D, can you see that? Okay. But it's delicious.
We are back in Denmark and everybody's looking on something on their phone. This is Instagram. Yeah. And no BAP things. So
Yeah, reklame to Instagram.
yeah. Oh, oops.
Free commercial.
And yum yum noodles because we just eat here. Yum yum yum.
Yum yum.
Yum yum.
Yum 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 yum.
We are in Denmark. Bella is talking. And Christina just looking at her phone. Like everybody else. Not Maya.
Check on. Check on. Ja. Ja, som vi fik hjælp af to.
Very good concert, but it's over now and Nikki has lost her ears.
하나 둘씩 꺼져가는 불빛 속엔 내 맘속에 힘만 들도
VIP is awesome because they have nice apps. So thank you for that. Goodbye. Bonjour. Let me say goodbye. Goodbye. Or let me just say thank you for this nice trip. Thank you for watching our movie. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did because it was a really, really nice trip. I want to thank my girls for making this trip a perfect one. And I want to thank VIP, of course, because this is just unforgettable. And
thank you for coming to Europe, and thank you for being so awesome. And although we had a few bumps on the road in Paris, it has been a really nice trip. Saranghel BAP.
I just want to say thank you for coming to Europe, BAP. Like last year you only came to America, so thank you. And thank you, Jungkook's abs, because you did it in Paris. We feel really proud. And I have been to a lot of K-pop concerts here in Europe, and I want to say that BAP is absolutely best, absolutely perfect. Like, they were perfect live. Absolutely amazing. Even though I wasn't like close to see their sweat, but it was still awesome. So thank you.
Hello BAP, thank you for the wonderful concert. This was my first, but I love it so much and I want to go to another BAP concert. I want to thank Jungkook's abs because he saved our day, or he abs do. So we really want to see them again. Yeah, we love you. Kamsahamnida for the good concert.
Hello! I would just say thank you BAP for a fantastic concert, and thank you for Paris, thank you for the K-pop store and shop for my Shimmer merchandise. And thanks to the girls because they said yes to come with them to this vacation. That was all.
언제든 널 감싸줄게 날 믿어줄래 미소도 너만 닿게 너만 바라봐줄래 영원히 사랑할게 You 너만 있다면 You 우리 함께라면 You 너만 있으면 돼 너의 손을 꼭 잡고 I'm gonna tell you